Hi, my name is Desiree de Guzman and I'm from Diesel 3. The genre I selected is pulp literature. The example of story is the Three Little Pigs and Anansi the Spider. Here's the example one. The Three Little Pigs. Here's the brief summary of the story. Today, we will look at how the narrative elements shape meaning in using the story of the Three Little Pigs as our example. The Three Little Pigs each build a house, one of straw, one of sticks, and one of bricks. A big bad wolf tries to blow each house down. Only the bricks house stands strong. Teaches the value of hard work and preparation. And here's why the story fits in the pulp literature genre. The story is a classic pulp tale that has been told and retold in various versions over many years. First, traditional fairy tale passed orally before being written. Features archetypal characters like clever pigs, villainous wolf, and a simple, repetitive plot structure. Teaches a clear moral lesson about effort and planning. And educational benefits for young children is encourages an understanding of problem solving and cause and effect, teaches the values of perseverance and making wise choices, builds storytelling and sequence skills. My suggested classroom activities is art project and dramatic play and story sequencing. Art project is build house with different materials like straw, sticks, and Lego bricks, and to test their strength. And dramatic play, act out the story with simple costume or puppets. In story sequencing, have children arrange picture of the story in the correct order. My example 2, Anansi the Spider. Anansi is a popular trickster in West African mythology. Despite his sly ways, he has taught generations of African children how to be good. The brief summary of the story is Anansi is a clever spider who often uses his wit to solve problems or teach lessons. In one version of the story, Anansi and his sons work together to save Anansi from danger, showing the importance of cooperation and intelligence. And why the story fits the pulp literature genre. Classic African folk tale passed down through generations. Features an archetypal trickster character which is Anansi and simple moral lesson. Reflect cultural values of wisdom and teamwork. Educational benefits for young children. Introduces African cultural traditions and storytelling. Builds critical thinking and problem-solving skills, teaches teamwork and family values, like the Three Little Pigs. Suggested classroom activities is art project, story mapping, and music connection. In art project, create colorful spider crafts using paper plates and yarn. In story mapping, make a story map showing Anansi's problem solution. Music connection, sing simple songs or rhythms related to spiders and teamwork. Folk literature is a powerful tool to teach moral lessons, critical thinking, and cultural awareness. The Three Little Pigs and Anansi the Spider offer engaging ways for young children to learn important life skills while enjoying timeless stories.